what we have on the second term, on the second tab of the vendor file, is a vendor type and a payment group. Now, the vendor type is something you set up for whatever you want, and you can use it for reporting. If you have XDBC or SQL, you can access it. You can sort by vendor type. One or two reports do allow you, I believe, to put in the vendor type. The payment group is much more important in that it's used for selection for check printing, typically, and you can choose checks to print. So in this context, the payment group can be set up. I can think of one example. For example, we have one customer who deals with food and liquor and grocery type items. Well, in the state they operate in, there are special rules that say you have to pay your liquor vendors by X number of days or by X on a particular day of the month. Well, they put all of their liquor vendors in a payment group so that they can select the liquor vendors and make sure that those checks go out by the 8th of the month or whatever it is. This allows them to control when they're paying their vendors. By that same token, then, if we come into the purge function, we may want to purge our vendors by these particular types, so we have this payment group. Whatever it is, I do recommend that you think about using payment group, if you're using accounts payable, as a way of subdividing and controlling the processing of your accounts payable. Just something to think about.